Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making some melt and pour soap. So the fragrance for this soap is musk sticks, like the lolly. So you'll notice that I've already made this design with another soap, but I wanted to show you this video because it probably has a little bit more detail than the last one. What I'm doing on the screen right now is using some clear soap, and I've poured 60 grams into each of the molds. I'm then going to remove those, clean them up, cut them in half and make curls. Now there's another way of doing this, and that is actually making the loaf and then using a cheese slicer to slice parts off it. The reason why I've chosen to do these is because it makes a thicker curl. When you use a cheese slicer, it makes a thinner curl, and I prefer the really chunky ones in my soap. So I added some purple dye, which is actually a neon liquid dye. It does bleed a little bit, but not too much. So you'll notice that this fragrance is actually quite dark, but when added to the base, it's perfectly fine. So right here, you'll see that I've got my main base, which is goat's milk. Whatever the curls weighed, it's the remainder of that. I think I got the pink exactly right. I'm going to put some musk sticks on the screen just to show you. So I'm placing the curls inside the mold. Then I'm going to pour the goat's milk over the top. Now normally for the base that I buy, if it's over 130, it's going to melt the in-bed. So it's literally on 129 Fahrenheit. So I was quite lucky that it didn't melt the in-beds in this case. Now I had more purple left over. So what I did was I melted down the rest of the purple and added it with the pink that was in the container. And it gave me a mauvey type color. And then I poured that over the top. I was really excited to see what was inside, and the first cut was not so great, so the second cut was exactly what I wanted. And then for the rest of the loaf, it was perfect. The client loved the way that this soap turned out. She was very happy with it. This is one of my favorite designs because it's so easy to do, but it does take a little bit of time, so you have to prep for it, pouring the 60 grams of soap per loaf to make up one loaf of curls. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.